So this is one of the online homework problems. I wanted to make sure you knew how to do it. The graph illustrates a normal distribution for the prices paid for a particular model of HD television. I have no idea if HD is even a television thing anymore. The mean price paid is $1,200. Got it. See that right in the middle. Standard deviation is 125. And use the empirical rule. Do not use normal CDF on your calculator. I think normal CDF might even give you the wrong answer because these are just approximations. And normal CDF will be a little too accurate. So the very first one is a little tricky. I think we should do another one and come back to the first one. So let's just say, I'm trying to think which of these is the easiest. Between 1,200 and 1,450, that's a little easier. So if we want to say what is the probability of the TV being in this range of values, you have to be clever. You have to apply the empirical rule. So the empirical rule says that we have 95% of the data values between here and here. 95%, and so you just chop that in half. 95 divided by 2 gives you 47.5. Next one, what is the probability that, what percent of buyers paid between $825 and $1,200? Similar idea here. You probably can guess what needs to happen next. Erase this. So between $825 and $1,200, that's just 97.5. Sorry, that was, I had a moment. 99.7 divided by 2. The empirical rule, oh, now I'm forgetting what the empirical rule is. Hang on. 99.7, yeah, that's what I said. Okay, so 99.7 divided by 2, let's just double check that. 99.7 divided by 2. Yep, so if I divide that by 100, well, no, I'm giving the percentages, so it's 49.85. Perfect. Okay, great. Long day. All right, what is the approximate percentage of buyers who paid more than $1,450? All right, let's erase these and go back here. Okay, so more than $1,450, I'm going to draw the boundaries. Let's see, that's 2 standard deviations over, so that's 2 standard deviations over. Okay, so that means we're at 95% here. Okay, 95% means there's 5% outside of this area. And so I just need to take 5% and divide by 2, and that should give me the answer. Yep, 2.5%. And that's the same thinking that you're going to use to answer the very first question, which I dodged initially. Let's circle back to that now. I think it will make more sense. 1575, so there's the 99.7 is divided between those two. Got 99.7%, so that means there's 0.3% in both tails. You can barely see the area, but there's a tiny bit of area there and a tiny bit of area there. And so 0.3% divided by 2 is how you get 0.15%. And I'll let you figure out the last one.